The CoolLED P300 series LED illumination systems are also available as direct fit variants. Not only does this increase irradiance at the sample plane of a microscope, but it also reduces the overall cost because you're not having to pay for a liquid light guide. CoolLED illumination systems are designed to be compatible with the majority of microscopes, and we achieve this using specific adapters. In this video, we're going to show you how simple it is to replace the adapter on a P300 Ultra, which enables you to, for example, switch your LED illumination system between different microscopes. Our website has a tool to help you find the correct adapter. Navigate to Products, Adapters, and scroll down to the tool. Then select your microscope brand, CoolLED illumination system, and microscope model. This will present you with the required adapter. Here is our direct fit P300 Ultra, and in this example it is fitted with a 20E adapter where it has been coupled to a Nikon microscope. If we now want to couple this to an Olympus IX73, which uses a 50E adapter, we remove the adapter using the two grub screws. We then take the 50E adapter, pop it in, and tighten this with the two grub screws again. This is now ready to mount the IX73 with the RFA-L. The optics will now need to be adjusted, and my colleague Chris, Product Support Engineer, has created a video to show you how to do this.
Today we'll be looking at how to attach one of our direct fit light sources to a standard research grade microscope. We have a range of adapters designed to fit most of the standard manufacturers. We take our light source and first attach our control pod and power cable. We then, using the adapter supplied, attach to the microscope in the method that your manufacturer uses. Now turning the light source on and setting the focus. Now that your sample is in focus, we are loosening the thumb screw on top of the light source and adjusting the sliding position to achieve maximum homogeneity. When this is achieved, lock down the thumb screw, and that will be the correct position whilst the light source is used on this microscope. Changing the magnification won't affect this position. Thank you for watching this CoolLED tutorial video.